Did you know you can whiten your teeth naturally with just strawberry, ginger, baking soda, and your toothpaste plus some few drops of lemon? This powerful combine removing strands, freshening your breath, and also giving you a brightened, confident smiling, all from your kitchen. Let me show you exactly how I make it, guys. So I take 3 pieces of strawberry. I put inside my hand blender because this one I think the hand blender it will make it easier for me. So after blending it, I add my ginger also inside and blend ginger and the strawberry together. So guys, after finish blending it, the next thing I'm doing, I'm pouring it into my bowl. So after finish doing it, before you add other ingredients, you have to get some small bowl to do what, to pour it inside a place that it can be okay, or you can feel comfortable to mix the things. So I put 3 strawberry, okay, 3 strawberry and ginger, some few ginger, maybe something can be like tablespoon. When you blend it, you can get tablespoon. And also the baking soda also, you can use maybe half half tablespoon, or you can use full tablespoon. It depends, okay, it depends of the quantity that you are going to make this thing. And also this thing does not, you don't need to keep it for too much long. When you just do it 3 to 4 days, you have to throw it away and make new one again, no matter where you keep it, whether you keep it inside the fridge or outside. Even if it is outside, then you have to keep it maybe 1 day or 2 days and throw away. But inside the fridge, 3 to 4 days, please throw it away and make new one again. So after mix my blended my strawberry and my ginger, I'm added my baking soda inside. Baking soda, not baking powder, okay? You have to add baking soda inside and make sure that your baking soda is not expired yet. So after that also, the lemon also, I'm going to make some half teaspoon, okay? So I'm going to put half teaspoon inside the ingredients that I'm going to add inside. So while I'm adding it, guys, I will take you guys, please stay tuned and watch to the end, because I'm going to show you guys exactly how you have to use this for your teeth to get your teeth get white. Now I'm adding my regularly toothpaste. The toothpaste also, don't worry about the one that I'm holding. You can just add any type of toothpaste that you love, you can add it inside. So while I'm adding inside, let me take you guys for us to check and see the ingredient, the benefit of these ingredients. Okay guys, so let's check and see this ingredient, the benefit of it. Let's start from strawberry. Strawberry is rich in malic acid, which helps removing surface strands and brighten your teeth naturally. It also tastes sweet, making your paste pleasant to use. And when you check about ginger, ginger also is contain antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property, which help fighting bad bacteria and supporting gum healthy and keeping your mouth fresh. Baking soda also is natural whitening that gently polishing teeth and removing plaque without harsh chemicals. It also balances with acid and give a smooth, clean teeth if you are adding it inside. And also, I added some toothpaste. You can add any type of toothpaste. Toothpaste is also, it's helping you as normal what you know about toothpaste. That one I'm not going to explain anything about it again. And lemon also is refreshing your mouth, refreshing your teeth. Is very powerful, is whitening powerful ingredient while you are doing your natural whitening things. So after finish everything, guys, this is the place that I put inside. Now I'm asking my daughter to give me the lid to cover. So this is where that you have to make it safe and put inside your fridge for 3 to 4 days for use. The remaining one, I'm just going to take it and go inside to show you guys how you can apply it to your teeth. Always try to make it gentle for your teeth. Don't do in harsh. Don't be harshing your teeth, because you need to be gentle. I sometimes, even when I'm doing my, don't be fighting. Don't fight with your teeth. Do it gentle. Apply it into your teeth gentle, and see how the results. You yourself, you will come back here to thank me, because this thing, it's help you for your mouth to be refreshing. If you have bad breath, if your mouth is sinking, I'm sorry to say sinking, but I don't know the correct word I'm going to like when you in my mother language they say puago onwel mala puago, but I don't know what you also call, like I don't know the English name that I'm going to use for that particular part. That's why I said when your mouth is thinking. So please let me know, like if your mouth there's some bacteria, is it bacteria, not bacteria, smelling small, you are using this thing, you are going to benefit something, guys.
I know it's powerful and it's working magic for whitening teeth and brighten teeth. Okay, so the next one also I will bring it here. Actually it's three. The other one is for when you have some bad, your mouth is smelling, if you have some smelling, you know, or your partner mouth there's something smelling, you feeling some smell, or you yourself you are not feeling uncomfortable, you are feeling uncomfortable when you are with your friends. That is the turmeric with coconut powder. Use that one for your, because the bacteria is helping it. I have that video, please go and watch it and make it for yourself. But this one, if you are looking for something to bright your teeth, to make your teeth white naturally, use the one that I just used right now. And the other two recipe I will soon will release it here, because I see how magic is working, guys. So I'll bring it here. Those who want to, you know, I'll make that three different of for whiten teeth. Which one that you think that you can be it can be affordable for you, for your own budget, you use that one to do it, to white your teeth naturally, like my. Thank you very much, but it's not for children. It's not for children. Like my daughter. Let me bring my daughter now. Yeah, yes. So for her, it's not good. By age of 10, 12 years, fine, you can use it for them. But 2, 3 years children, don't try it. 10, 12, it's okay for you to try this recipe for them. Bye bye, princess. Say bye bye. Bye bye. She's looking at herself inside the mirror and saying bye bye to the mirror. Okay, guys, we love you guys. Bye bye. Please check Princess Hair Care. You know, everything we are doing here also. We do some things about anything concerned princess hair. You know, if you want to see, because for me, I don't open my hair, I don't show my hair, but princess hair, because she's still a baby, so no problem, I'm showing her hair. So if you want to see how long we are going with princess hair, please check Princess Hair Care channel. You will see the details of our princess hair, our journey of hair growing, how far we have grown princess hair. And this December I'm going to do comparison for last year and this year, from last year December to this year December. So her hair, I will show it the last year, the length that we grow last year and this year, so that you guys will judge it for us. Thank you very much. We love you guys. Bye bye. We love you guys. Bye.